Today, we are going to learn how to write a report. A report is a factual description or account of events or an investigation of an issue or a problem. We have various forms of reports: newspaper reports, inquiry reports, progress or action taken report, a police report, a report of a meeting, etc., each having a distinct character. There are two types of reports which we focus on in class 12th. The newspaper report is about an accident, an event that you have witnessed. The magazine report covers an event held at school or institute or an organization. A newspaper or a magazine report is very brief and has an eye catchy caption and an objective but engrossing and interesting style. Tips on effective report writing: present the necessary information as clearly as possible. Only the most relevant information should be included. The heading should be clear and factual. Round off with a summary of the situation, a conclusion or a recommendation, appeal or warning as is appropriate. Be brief and to the point. Report an event in the order in which things happened. Should be always written in past tense in case of magazine, and a mixture of tenses for a newspaper. Format for magazine. Here we have headline, byline. Byline is the reporter's name. Content is split into 3 to 4 paragraphs. First paragraph gives what, where, when, for who is invited. Second and the third paragraph gives the sequence of the events to be described. Fourth para gives quotes from chief guest speech and the conclusion. Format for newspaper is little different. Headline and byline, they are same like the magazine report. But here we also mention the date and the place. First paragraph is the expansion of the headline. Second and third paragraph gives the detailed description of the event or the happening. Fourth paragraph gives the remarks of the witness or people present at the event. Fourth paragraph gives actions taken so far or actions that will be taken. Report should be based on facts. Do not add any fictitious information. It is usually written in third person. This is very important. It is written in third person. The pronouns like I, me, you, etc. are avoided. It is generally written in indirect speech. However, actual words of the speaker can be quoted using inverted commas and is preferably written in passive voice. No personal opinion or conclusion is drawn. The report should answer the questions like what, when, where, why, who, and how. Now, important thing to note here is a report for a school magazine carries the writer's name. However, the date and venue where the event has taken place comes in the content of the report and not at the beginning the way it is in newspaper. Headline or title. Now we are just revising it. Byline, name and position of the person writing the report. Introduction, a brief mention of what happened, where and how, and most prominent consequences. Effect along with the day, date, and time when it took place. Description. Paragraph 2 and 3 give details of the event being reported. Eyewitness account, along with some quotes, uh, are included. In case of accidents, loss of the property, uh, cause of the accident, and then the conclusion, police action, and rescue operations, damage control, uh, these are given. Compensation and help announced by government are also mentioned. In the conclusion, a remark as to how the event has impacted people is made. Now, here there is one example for you. Scholastic India Limited organized a 1 day workshop on creative writing in your school to promote writing skills. As the literary captain of your school, write a report to be published in the school magazine. You are Rohit or Radha. Now, here there is the solved example for you. You can see here we have 4 paragraphs. First is the introductory paragraph, last one is the conclusion, and in between we have 2 paragraphs which give us the details of the event. And whatever we have learnt is applied here. How do we write a report? Please go through it. In case you have any queries, you can drop them in the comment box. I will try my best to solve your problems. Thank you.